In this video, I'll show you how to add a text box in Docusign using the easiest and most practical method. After logging in, upload your document or select a template, then proceed to the editing screen where all fields are available. From the toolbar, choose the text field option and drag it onto your document wherever needed. You can resize, reposition, and format the box to match your layout and keep everything clean and readable. It's important to assign the text box to the correct recipient, otherwise it may not work as intended during signing. Docusign keeps this process simple, but small mistakes in placement or assignment can slow things down. You can also pre-fill certain text if needed, depending on your workflow. For more advanced use, you can mark fields as required or optional depending on how critical the information is. It's also helpful to label fields clearly so signers understand what to enter. Always preview the document before sending to catch any alignment issues. Overall, it's a quick feature that adds flexibility when used carefully. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter and faster.